I will quickly go through two very interesting, lucrative trading opportunities in the stock market that I speculate with great confidence will make big money. One is the British stock index, UK 100 or FTSE 100. The other asset that I also speculate to cash in on the upcoming decline or drop is the South African stock index, South Africa 40. I have taken several heavy short positions in both the British UK 100 and the South Africa 40 index. I start by going through the British stock index, UK 100 or FTSE, then the South African stock index. As you can see here on my screen, this is the four-hour chart. 4-hour chart, and this gray box here, I have drawn in this massive pin bar here, as you can see. This is a 4-hour pin bar. So that is, with other words, a mother bar. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside bars, which is 6 times 4 hours. So this is, with other words, 24 hours of trading. It's just consolidating a choppy market up and down. And I have taken selling positions into this 4-hour chart here within this candlestick bar here, a shooting star. So far, I got almost 200 euros in profit, but of course, this is nothing compared to what I'm looking for. Let me show you how it looks like if I zoom out, how lucrative this is. I would like to show you this in a monthly graph here so you understand this perspective. This is monthly. Every box you can see here represent 1 month, and on the left hand side you can see it's the beginning of year 1991. So you have 30 years of uptrend here regarding the UK 100 or FTSE 100, the British stock index. And this is this month over here. Let's have a look on the weekly chart. Here you can see a massive drop on February and March 2020. The COVID pandemic, it's really smashed down here, a huge drop. And it's very interesting to see now on this weekly chart that it's a very little candlestick bar so far this week, this red one here. And very important to spot here that you can see that this is the former resistance and went through this week. And we also, this FTSE or UK 100 also went through above former huge major supply level zone here, as you can see. So we went above here. So we are into a very heavy supply zone regarding the FTSE 100 or UK 100. Simple to the fact that we are in this area here. A new top levels. And this is the very top, as you can see here. Let me enhance it. The date was in May, year 2018, over here. So it's 5 years ago. And let me show on the daily chart. Here you can see for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, the price is above this 78,000 level here, as you can see on the right hand here. And the very top ever is, as you can see in the right hand side here, 79,100 here, 79,100. This is what it went up to here. Let me see here, further back here, you can see year 2018, the price went up here to the 79,100 level. Okay, so therefore I have put another sell limit order slightly below 7900, as you can see here. And it looks like this. I have my sell limit order at 78.95 here, and stop loss 79.27 here, and my take profit level down here at 76.84 or 76.85. It's actually slightly above this exponentially moving average 20 here. That's my first take profit level. And my risk here is 802 euros. And I'm looking for a risk reward relation about 6.5 times my money down here. Looking for a profit of 5,252 euros down here. And I have heavy sell positions already. You cannot see it because I don't want to show it, because it's so messy. You cannot see the candlestick bars. But I have also put another sell limit order here. As you can see, if this FTSE 100 or UK 100 should go up and shoots up here, which is very common when it comes to trading, because banks and large institutions, they want to trick you, go for stop loss hunting, and get all of the amateur traders scared to shoot up here before it's rotate down. So that's the reason being why I also put a sell limit order here. And let's have a look again on the 4-hour chart regarding this UK 100. It's very interesting because we have a very long consolidation phase here, which means we have a massive move when the price leaves this box. And I will say that will be on the downside. It might shoots up here to the 79.00, as I were mentioning, but I don't think so. We can also see this. We have lots of wicks or tails on the upper side here, so it's very bearish. And here you can see my take profit level here, as I showed you on the daily chart. And let's show the other stock market index, which is the South Africa 40 index. I really looking forward to see how it goes with the South African index over here. I will show you the graph. This is amazing. This is the 4-hour chart, and same here. I have made a gray box here. Why, you may ask? Well, I have drawn this mother bar here, this red bar, which is a mother bar. And here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 inside bars within the structure of this mother bar, which show how it looks among the buyers and sellers, supply and demand. So using inside bar strategy is a very effective, strong tool to use to understand whether you should sell or not, in this case going short. And we can see that the price today went up for a double bottom here at the same level. And it looks very interesting. So here's my first take profit level down here at 70,214 level. It will be almost 234,000 South African rand in profit. Let me show you here. Here we have it, 233,454 South African rand. If you divide that with 17, you got this sum in US dollar, which is 13,745 US dollar. So it's almost 14,000 US dollar in profit trading this South African index here, down here. So I'm really looking forward to it. I will actually come up with a follow-up video because I want to show you, my subscribers, that what I'm talking about is very effective. So you can see that this index actually will drop, as I'm saying at this very moment. I want to prove my skills for you so you can get confidence with my trading channel here. So let me show you how it looks like in monthly chart here. So it's went up, as I were mentioning, for over 20 years. You can see here from year 2002. It's 21 years ago. Up here, it's super massive trend. Every candlestick bar is 1 month. It represents 1 month. And this is this month in January 2023 here. Went above this former top high here. So above this level regarding the South Africa 40 stock market index, this level here, as you can see here, this horizontal line was at, what can we see? Can I round up? Yes. It's about 72,000 level, 72,000 level here. So now it's went above this level. So this is extremely good, lucrative selling opportunity here. This is a huge major supply zones above this level here, about 71.82 level here. So this is the daily chart. Looks very a good uptrend here on the daily charts since September last year, 2022. So a good uptrend here. So I will not talk much. As I were mentioning, I will show you how it went on the downside here, my profits. This is my take profit level here at 70,202, South Africa 40. Okay, I will soon come back with a follow-up video to show you how it goes, how this downtrend, this trend reversal will look like, and also how the trend reversal will look like regarding the British, the UK stock market index. As you can see here on 4-hour chart, this is the daily chart. Massive uptrend since October last year, here, up to here. Okay, I will not talk much. Take care, and I look forward to a huge drop here in my follow-up video. Take care. Bye for now.